This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by stabilizing everything. Put on a cut-resistant glove and position the sharpener on a non-slip surface so it cannot move. Once done, attach the angle guide for the edge grip. This holds a consistent bevel as you work. Make sure the knife is clean and free of debris or heavy oil so metal contacts grit evenly. Begin with the coarser rod or slot to re-establish a bevel. Press firmly, but controlled to avoid rocking the blade. You will now perform the sharpening strokes. Push or pull the blade through the edge grip along the rod or slot with steady, even pressure so the bevel wears uniformly. Once done with 3 to 5 passes on one side, switch to the other to keep the edge centered. Count strokes to maintain symmetry. After coarse grit, move to medium, then fine abrasive for polish. Make sure to wipe metal filings and feel for a burr. Removing it early prevents overgrinding. Finish by honing the edge with a fine rod or leather strop to align the micro bevel. Use 5 to 10 light passes per side and maintain the same angle guided earlier. Once done, test the knife on paper or a ripe tomato to confirm a clean cut. This verifies sharpness without risking fingers. If you notice tearing, chips, or an uneven edge, repeat coarse sharpening only where needed and slightly adjust the angle. If problems persist, check blade.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.